Hey everyone, I just changed my oil. I did one of these little videos before and did it with a manual, little music in the background, and people didn't like it. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to show you what to do. We're going to go to our trip meter right here. See, mine's not saying anything, but I'm going to push the trip meter till it goes to trip A. Okay, that would be trip A. I'm going to shut the car off. Okay, now what we're going to do, and if I can do this and hold the phone, I'm going to push the km/h button. We're going to hold that in, put your foot on the brake, and push start. And look what happens. It resets. As simple as that. Now I just changed my oil, so I'm letting it run for a minute, make sure there aren't going to be any leaks or whatnot. And I hope that helps everyone. Have a good day.